Welcome to TDCi Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Ford Focus Zetec S. It's a 1.5 diesel. It's absolutely stunning condition. Got the rear privacy glass, the Zetec S body styling kit, large rear diffuser, boot area is in lovely condition. The luggage cover there. Interior is the special cloth with the red stitch piping. It's got electric windows. It's done 98,497 miles. It's got USB air conditioning. TDCi, full dealer facilities, including warranty, finance and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 205. Thank you.